Rosey, where you going? Huh? Where you going? Huh? You going walking? Alright, let's go walking. Gotta get that camp just right. Settle, heel. Alright, here we go. That's how we start our walkie out. Here you go, girl. Heel. Good girl. Come on, heel. Heel. Let you walk loose. California. Take Rosey, big dog Rosey, for a walk. Uh-oh. Somebody knows she's around. Settle down. Settle. Settle. She's always on the hunt for somebody, or a dog, or a car, or somebody. She's always watching. Make sure nobody comes near me. Rosey, you going for a walk? Hey, where's your favorite spot, Rosey? You gonna show everybody your favorite spot? All right, let's see if you can do it. Just do a little raw footage. Let's go. Big ground. Big ground. Come on. Go to your bushes. Go to your bushes. Hey. These are her favorite bushes on the corner. We're just walking Rosey. Very calm. I keep an eye out, guys, for any kind of dog activities. Rosey could be very aggressive if she wants to instantly be aggressive, or she could be the sweetest dog ever. What you doing, lazy dog? Rosey? Rosey, come. Hey, Rosey. Come. Sit. Hey. Rosey, sit. Sit. Be a good girl. What are you doing? This traffic don't bother you? Huh? This traffic don't bother you at all? Big buses don't bother you? You just think you're bigger than the bus? Alright, heel. Come on, you're a good girl. Very obedient dog. She's been trained like 3 times for basic behaviors. Because the thing is, she's a Great Dane inside, but a German Shepherd outside, short hair. So, she's in the attack mode almost all the time. No matter how calm she seems, she could go into attack mode unless she's sick. She's always happy, got the tail wagging. She loves going for a walk like crack cocaine. This is Rosey, my big giant dog. We'll take her for a little walk by the pine cone alley where the pine cones dwell. Come down with the bag, get some pine cones. This is how beautiful our sidewalks are in California. See that, guys? Beautiful. Pay taxes though, better be beautiful. I've noticed they cut back on cleaning a lot. Anyways, still watching planets. They're getting closer. Sunrise, sunsets are extraordinary. Unbelievably extraordinary. They let the leaves stay on the ground here a long time because they want us to have the feeling of winter. But really, it's 68 degrees right now, 70 degrees. Kind of overcast. Come on, girl. Come on. Yeah. What you doing? Come on. Come on. I'm gonna walk more. This is a short walk video, dog. Hey. It's a short walk video, okay? Doing her stuff. Get it, girl. Get it. Get it. Sometimes she'll just clean out a whole bank of stuff, scratching the ground. That time not. That's what you're looking like at the sky. Oh, just ugly. We're used to beautiful blue skies. With this dog, anybody even came close to it within 6 feet, they would grab their leg grabbed or their hand grabbed. She will not let them through. Even if I give her a command to stand down, she knows it, but she won't. She won't. She'll protect me right to the end. Come on, let's go. Let's go. You gonna heal? Come on, let's heal all the way home. Let's heal, okay? Let's everybody. What'd you do? Okay, come here. Look at this. Come here. What'd you do? You got something in your paw? Huh? Alright, hang on. Come here. I'll get it. She gets these, those little gumballs. She'll get them gumballs. Look at her nails. Gotta cut them. Like werewolf nails. You better? Okay, shake it off. Come on. Shake it off. You better? You're better. Anyways. Gumballs don't like her. You know them little gumballs stick to dogs' feet. Come on, girl. Heel. Come on. Yes. Poor dog. Got something in her foot. Well, it's going to be one complete walk for videos, Rosey. For your new channel. Hey, what you doing, dog? She's healing perfectly. You see, perfectly, with no pressure. She's a good girl. She's smart. Looking at you. Anyways, she's becoming quite the camera ham. She knows that I'm filming her now, and she lets it happen. I hope this video's going. Put the music on it. And you put sitting by the dock of the bay on. Anyways, this is Rosey's Place coming to you live today. Pre-recorded live. It's a pretty good heel there. As long as the shoulders don't go past the leg. And she'll be looking, asking me questions with her eyeballs. What? Where are you going? Are you smelling something? Get over here. Get over here. Wait till you got carried away with the nose. Someone cooking? What's the rock guy cooking? What's the rock guy cooking? Huh? I don't know. Alright. A complete... Look at my Christmas tree I'm going to decorate it tonight. Outside Christmas tree. Douglas fir. All trimmed and ready to go. It's perfect, guys. Perfect. All right, we'll talk to you later. God bless everybody on YouTube. You've been watching Rosey's Place live.